In this video, we'll configure the CinemaEAR Pro Bluetooth adapter. To get started, plug in the charging cable. A full charge takes about 2 hours. Next, we'll select a mode. The CinemaEAR Pro can be used as either a Bluetooth transmitter or a Bluetooth receiver. Use transmitter mode to stream audio from any 3.5mm audio output to Bluetooth headphones or speakers. For example, to stream from an in-flight entertainment system to a pair of AirPods. A Bluetooth receiver does the opposite. It receives audio wirelessly from a phone or tablet and sends it over a wired connection to audio equipment that doesn't support Bluetooth. For example, you can use a Bluetooth receiver to play music from your phone to a car or home stereo. We'll set up transmitter mode first. To navigate to receiver mode setup, use the timestamps in the video description. First, ensure the device is powered on and the mode switch is in the TX position. Put your headphones into pairing mode. If you're not sure how to enter pairing mode, check the instructions that came with your headphones. If you're using AirPods, simply place them in their charging case and open the charging case lid. Press and hold the button on the back of the charging case until the light on the case flashes white. Next, press and hold the circle button to put the CinemaEAR Pro into pairing mode. Pairing mode is indicated by alternating red and blue lights. Pairing is complete once the light on the CinemaEAR Pro turns solid blue. Repeat the pairing steps to connect a second headphone or speaker. Both lights on the CinemaEAR Pro will be solid blue once the second device is connected. Plug the cable into an in-flight entertainment system or any other audio source. Use the included adapter if needed. Increase the volume on the entertainment system, then use the controls on your headphones to adjust the volume to a medium-high level. Lastly, use the volume buttons on the CinemaEAR Pro for fine adjustments while listening. To use the CinemaEAR Pro in receiver mode, power it on and ensure the mode switch is in the RX position. Press and hold the circle button to put the CinemaEAR Pro into pairing mode. Pairing mode is indicated by an alternating red and green light. Open the Bluetooth menu on your phone, tablet, or other device you wish to pair. Select the MEE Audio CinemaEAR from the list of available devices. Pairing is complete once the RX light turns solid green. Connect the audio jack of the CinemaEAR Pro to the audio input of your device. Set the volume on the connected device first, and then use the controls on your CinemaEAR Pro for fine adjustments. CinemaEAR is an audio enhancement feature with 4 different modes. Tap the CinemaEAR button to cycle CinemaEAR modes. The other buttons on the CinemaEAR Pro can be used to adjust the volume, control media playback, and check the battery level. Pause the video here if you'd like more time to review the controls. Most issues can be solved by restarting both the CinemaEAR Pro and your Bluetooth device. If this does not resolve the issue, perform a factory reset of the CinemaEAR Pro. A factory reset can be performed in either transmitter or receiver mode, depending on which one you are using. To perform a factory reset, power on the CinemaEAR Pro, then press the circle button 6 times in rapid succession. You will need to create a new pairing before you can use the CinemaEAR Pro again. If you are unable to power on your CinemaEAR Pro or it becomes unresponsive, You can perform a hardware reset by inserting a pin or paperclip into the reset pinhole on the left side of the device. That's it! Visit meaudio.com to learn more about the Connect Bluetooth adapters and other MEE audio products.